children, Happy National Unity Day. Today is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's birthday, which we celebrate as our India's National Unity Day. Manpower without unity is not a strength unless it is harmonized and united properly. Then it becomes a spiritual power. So, this thoughts is given by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who is the pioneer of Indian freedom struggle and independent India also. Let's learn about Vallabhbhai Patel. Vallabhbhai Javadbhai Patel, born in October 1875, popularly known as Sardar Patel, was an Indian politician. He served as the first Deputy Prime Minister of India. He was an Indian barrister and a senior leader of Indian National Congress, who played a leading role in the country's struggle for independence and guided its integration into a united independent nation. In India and elsewhere, he was often called Sardar, meaning chief, in Hindi, Urdu and Persian. He acted as a home minister during the political integration of India and Indo-Pakistan War of 1947. So children, this is Statue of Unity which built coming years. Patel practiced law in Godhra, Vorshad and Anand while talking on the financial burden of his homestead in Karamshad. Patel was the first chairman and founder of Edward Memorial. Under the chairmanship of Sardar Patel, Fundamental Rights and Economic Policy Resolution was passed by the Congress in 1931. As Gandhi embarked on the Dandi Salt March, Patel was arrested in the village of Rash and was put on the trial without witnesses. With no lawyer or journalist allowed to attend, Patel's arrest and Gandhi's subsequent arrest caused the Salt Satyagraha to greatly intensify in Gujarat. District across Gujarat launched an anti-tax revolution unit, and unless Patel and Gandhi were released, participated in Gandhi's call for individual disobedience and was arrested in 1940 and imprisoned for 9 months. He also opposed to proposal of the Cripps mission in 1942. Patel lost more than 20 pounds during this period in jail. Then, when he released on 15th June 1945, he realized that the British were preparing proposal to transfer power to India, and in 1947, India became independent. As the first Home Minister, Patel played the key role in the integration of the princely states into the Indian Federation. He was also instrumental in the creation of the All India Services, which he described as the country's steel frame. In his address to the probationers of these services, he asked them to be guided by the spirit of services in the day-to-day administration. Rashtriya Ekta Divas was introduced by the Government of India and inaugurated by Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi in 2014. The intent to be paid tribute to Patel, who was instrumental in keeping India united. It is to be celebrated on 31st October every year as annual commemoration of the birthday of the Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, one of the founding leaders of Republic of India. The official statement of Rashtriya Ekta Divas by the Home Minister of India stated that the Nation Unity Day will provide the opportunity to reaffirm the inherent strength and resilience of our nation to withstand the actual and potential threats to the unity, integrity and security of our country. Of Unity is a monument dedicated to Patel located in the Indian state of Gujarat facing the Narmada Dam, 3.2 km away from Sandhu Bet near Vadodara. At the height of 182 meters, it is the world's tallest statue, exceeding the Spring Temple Buddha by 54 meters. This statue and related structures are spread over 20,000 square meters and are surrounded by an artificial lake spread across 12 km and cost an estimated 29.8 billion rupees. It was inaugurated by India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 31st October 2018, the 143rd birthday of Patel's birth. The height of the statue in meters has been picked to match the total assembled constituencies in Gujarat. So children, this is the story of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Iron Man of India.